Welcome back, everybody. I have Courtney here with me today. Say hi. And we are headed into Blizzard Beach. It's a nice hot one here in Florida after it's been crazy weird weather all week, and so we're going on in and we're gonna go have some fun today. Courtney's favorite water park, right? No. Oh no, she likes Typhoon Lagoon better. So, alrighty. But we're going on in. Alrighty, so first up for us is something at the top of the mountain. What do you want to do?
I guess we'll see.
We'll see when we get to the top. I think it would be the family raft ride, possibly. Or maybe walk down to the mats and get water in our face immediately. Not too sure. Oh, never mind. We won't do that. So, but yeah. So, on up the ski lift we go. Alrighty, so we are going to do the family raft ride first. So, we'll see when we get there. We got to wait in line real quick, which isn't too bad. But here we go. Then we'll figure out what we're doing next after that. It's just kind of based on the lines all day today. Having fun? Woo! It's cold. It is cold. But it's so hot. I'm sweating so bad. Woo! It's like we get in the pool on a cruise ship. I'm waiting to get soaked. We gonna spin? Nope. We're not gonna spin!
Here we go.
Why are you thinking that's how I spin?
Brace yourself.
Lean forward there and you don't get as wet. That's the trick. I hope we're gonna bounce hard. Courtney just fell over. Alright, so we've chosen to do the lazy river. And it is packed, but nice and cool. The water was very cold on that last one, so. But there we go. Alright, so we're climbing the stairs. The only time we're gonna use the stairs today, because the line is super long for the ski lift. But we're climbing the short staircase. And we'll use the ramps to get the rest of the way. But we're headed over to the tubes on the back side of the mountain. Alright, so these ones we're gonna do next by the McDonald's. Over here. So we're going up the ramps here. And there's the snow toboggans over there. Summit plummet there, which Courtney's gonna do later, right? No, she's not. So, but yeah, we're headed over to that line over there. Woohoo! POV! Woohoo! Woohoo! See if I flip when we hit the bottom. Speed ups! Woohoo! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! And more speed bumps! And lean back! Alright, so we got some food here. This is a snack, really. Courtney, I'm gonna share that. She got a car salt to caramel milkshake coming too. So, activated that, filled it, got her a drink because it came with this. So, yeah. And then we're gonna go probably get back to the lazy river. Well, they screwed up and gave us 2 of these things. We only said we needed 1. They gave us 2 for some reason. So, looks like I'm enjoying one too. Alright, everybody, we're done with our snack, and now we're gonna get in the lazy river again for another lap. This is a lazy day here at Blizzard Beach. So we're going on back into the lazy river. Hopefully we can find a tube. I think they all just left.
Keep going.
Got me.
I got it too.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap our time in the lazy river. We're gonna go change because we're filming 2 videos today, actually. And we've gotta go get ready and start heading to the next one. So, I'll see you guys before we leave here. We'll see you in a minute. Alrighty everybody, we are back home. We were gonna head out to the Strawberry Festival this evening, but we're determined that we wouldn't be there very long. We get to be there very long based off of the traffic and everything to get there. It's gonna be over an hour and a half to get there. It's gonna be about an hour, maybe 45 minutes. So we're not gonna do that tonight, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn those notifications on so you don't miss anything from us. And don't forget that we have a giveaway going on. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we will be giving away Disney merchandise, basically. Maybe some Epic Universe merchandise. But you guys have to be subscribed to the channel, and once we hit that point, we'll explain to you how the giveaway works. And it's a whole video in itself, and there'll be the explanation of that. So make sure you guys are subscribed. That way you find out how to enter the giveaway when the giveaway happens. And we'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.